Hey there, fellow Prime shoppers. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your Amazon Prime Visa mailing address. Whether you're moving to a new place or just updating your info, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back to enjoying those sweet Prime benefits without any hassle. First things first, you'll need to log into your Amazon account. Open up your web browser or the Amazon app, head to Amazon.com, and enter your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure to verify that too. It's all about keeping your account secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Lists section, usually found in the top right corner. From there, look for Your Account, and then scroll down to the Your Payments or Credit Cards area. This is where you'll find your Amazon Prime Visa details. Click on that to access your card information. Now, here's the key part. Look for an option that says Manage Your Card or something similar. Inside, you should see your current mailing address listed. Click on Edit or Change Address next to it. Enter your new mailing address carefully. Double-check the street, city, state, and zip code to avoid any delivery delays. After you've inputted the new details, hit Save or Update. Amazon might ask you to confirm the changes, so follow any on-screen prompts. And just like that, you're done. It usually takes effect right away, but if you have any pending orders or statements, they might still go to the old address, so keep an eye on that. One quick tip. If you're having trouble finding the right section, use the search bar at the top of the Amazon page and type in Prime Visa. It'll guide you straight there. Remember, keeping your address up to date ensures you get your rewards and statements without a hitch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping!